7 years ago, people laughed at the idea of wearing what looked like tiny electric toothbrush heads sticking out of your ears. Yet today, AirPods are everywhere on subways, in gyms, at airports basically. They've become the new "don't talk to me" sign of our generation. From their launch in 2016, Apple's AirPods went from a risky design experiment to a cultural icon, completely reshaping the wireless audio industry. And now, in 2025, the story is about to level up again, because this year, we're not just talking about better sound, we're talking about Apple's vision for the future of wearable technology with the AirPods Pro 3. So, what's the big deal? Why should you even care when your current AirPods are probably still going strong? Well, let's break it down. Apple is expected to unveil the AirPods Pro 3 at its legendary September keynote, the same event where the iPhone 17 lineup takes center stage, and Apple knows exactly what it's doing. Think about it. When you're already planning to drop serious money on a new iPhone, tossing in a fresh pair of earbuds feels like a natural upgrade. Classic Apple psychology at work now. The AirPods lineup is like a family with 3 personalities. You've got the entry-level AirPods, simple and reliable. The AirPods Max, which are premium, massive, and honestly make you look like a professional. DJ at Starbucks. And right in the middle, the sweet spot sits the AirPods Pro, with the AirPods Pro 3. Apple wants to redefine this middle child as the perfect balance of features, performance, and price. Let's talk design first. If you were hoping for something radically new, sorry, Apple doesn't do radical. Instead, they do refinement. Think slimmer charging case with smoother edges, possibly faster MagSafe charging, and maybe even reverse wireless charging. From the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself, imagine placing your AirPods case on the back of your iPhone to juice it up. That's the kind of convenience that screams Apple. And here's something fun: color options. Yes, for years AirPods only came in dentist office white. This time, rumors suggest black, blue, pink, and green could finally make an appearance. Translation: your AirPods can now match your iPhone, Apple Watch, or even your mood after a Monday morning meeting. Earbuds themselves may shrink a little in the stem. Better ear tips and possibly materials that adapt to your ear canal for a snug fit. Comfort, but make it science. But the real game changer? The new H3 chip. This is the engine powering everything inside the AirPods Pro 3, and let me tell you, it's like giving your earbuds a brain upgrade. Near lossless wireless audio is on the table, meaning your playlists will sound closer to studio quality than ever before. Noise cancellation will be sharper, faster, and more intelligent, able to block that annoying airplane hum while still letting through important sounds like voices or traffic alerts. And transparency mode is getting smarter too, because sometimes you want to hear your surroundings without feeling like you've stuck microphones in your ears. Now this is where it gets exciting: health tracking. Apple is reportedly testing sensors that could measure heart rate, body temperature, and even breathing patterns directly from your ears. Imagine finishing a run and your AirPods tell you, "Congrats, you just burned off that cheeseburger from last night." Fitness junkies, this could be a game changer. And if that wasn't futuristic enough, there's talk of real-time translation. Picture having a conversation with someone in a completely different language, and your AirPods whispering the translation in real time. That's not just earbuds, that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Combine that with adaptive audio powered by AI, adjusting sound depending on whether you're in a quiet library or a chaotic subway station. And you've basically got earbuds that feel alive. Battery life is expected to improve with reverse wireless charging and faster MagSafe, making recharging painless. As for pricing, Apple's sweet spot is $249. But if they pack in those advanced health and translation features, don't be surprised if it creeps up to $279 or even $299. Now, let's not ignore the competition. Sony still rules for audiophile level. Sound Bose continues to dominate noise cancellation, and Samsung pushes its Galaxy Buds deep into its own ecosystem. But Apple has the ecosystem advantage. AirPods Pro 3 won't just be about sound. They'll connect seamlessly with Apple Intelligence, the Apple Watch, and your iPhone. It's not just about listening to music, it's about living inside the Apple universe. And let's be honest, once your earbuds become your translator, health monitor, and personal assistant, good luck switching to another brand. So what's the bigger picture here? With the AirPods Pro 3, Apple isn't just selling headphones. They're selling the future of wearables, what some call invisible computing. Smart glasses might still be years away, but AirPods are already quietly bridging that gap, integrating AI, health, and communication in a way that feels natural. And that's the magic of Apple. They don't drop giant leaps all at once. Instead, they sneak the future into your daily routine, till one day you realize your tiny earbuds are smarter than your first computer. So, should you be excited about the AirPods Pro 3? Absolutely. They're not just about music there. About how you interact with the world, with your health, and maybe even with people speaking another language. Apple is redefining what it means to wear technology. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of Apple's biggest releases, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and check out the videos I've linked right here on screen one, covering the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup, and another diving into Apple's long-term wearable strategy. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.